Hey, come cook dinner with me. Finally having some cooler weather here in Southern California now that it's almost January. So I'm feeling soup tonight. I'm gonna make albondigas, which is a Mexican style soup with meatballs. You make the meatballs by mixing it with cooked rice. I think some people call them porcupine meatballs. It's actually a really good way to stretch protein. I've got 1 pound of ground beef and I've got to feed 7 people. I hope you enjoy. If you can't tell, I am not Mexican. If you have any tips from your abuelita who makes albondigas, then I'm happy to hear it. Otherwise, this is my version of it.